Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Lenovo ThinkVision T27qd-40 computer monitor, then please visit the link provided in the description. The Lenovo ThinkVision T27qd-40 steps into the workspace with a design that feels intentional, focused, and built for productivity. At first glance, it looks like a simple 27-inch monitor, but using it daily reveals how much Lenovo refined this model for professionals who need clarity, comfort, and efficiency. Everything about this display is built around helping you work better and longer without distractions. The overall design is clean and modern. The narrow bezels make the screen feel larger without taking up additional room on your desk. The matte finish across the frame makes it blend into almost any environment. Whether you're building a home office, editing suite, or school workspace, it avoids flashy accents, instead delivering a subtle and premium appearance that simply feels right for productivity setups. The stand is one of the strongest features of this monitor. You can raise it, lower it, tilt it, swivel it, and rotate it vertically, meaning the display adjusts exactly how you want it. Sitting at the perfect height helps reduce shoulder tension and neck strain. For people who read long documents, browse coding lines, or review vertical content, the pivot feature is incredibly useful. It's the kind of flexibility that improves long work sessions without you noticing. On the back, the connectivity feels well thought out. Depending on the variant, you get HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, and convenient USB ports for accessories. Using USB-C with a laptop can transform your workspace instantly since it provides video, power, and data through one cable. With fewer wires running across your desk, everything looks cleaner, and switching between devices becomes significantly easier. The 27-inch QHD resolution is the core of this monitor's appeal. At 2560 by 1440, it delivers far more detail than standard Full HD without making icons tiny or forcing scaling adjustments. Text appears sharper, which makes reading and editing less tiring. Images look more refined, and you can place multiple windows side by side comfortably. It hits that perfect middle ground between pixel density and natural viewing experience, especially for work-heavy tasks. The IPS panel further adds to the overall quality. You get wide viewing angles, so colors remain consistent even when viewing from the sides. That consistency matters when sharing your screen with others or reviewing creative work. Color accuracy is strong, providing reliable performance for photo editing, design tasks, presentations, and general productivity. The tones feel balanced, and nothing looks oversaturated or tinted. Brightness levels are tuned for indoor work environments. They strike a comfortable balance, bright enough for well-lit spaces but not so intense that they cause strain. The anti-glare coating does a solid job diffusing reflections, allowing you to work near windows or under strong lighting without constant glare interrupting your workflow. Eye comfort is clearly part of the design. Lenovo includes low blue light and flicker-free technology, both essential for reducing fatigue during long days in front of the screen. Together with the ergonomic stand, these features make the monitor feel like a long-term companion designed to support your daily routine. While this is not a gaming-first monitor, the QHD resolution and IPS color performance make casual gaming enjoyable. You won't get high refresh rates meant for competitive play, but you will get sharp, colorful visuals suited for story-driven titles, strategy games, and slower-paced gameplay. It performs exactly how a productivity-focused monitor should: solid, clean, and dependable. The overall build quality feels premium. The stand is stable and doesn't wobble when typing or adjusting height. The materials feel sturdy enough for long-term use. The on-screen menu is intuitive, giving you control over brightness, color modes, energy-saving options, and picture adjustments without unnecessary complication. This monitor truly shines in multi-monitor setups. The slim bezels create a clean side-by-side look, ideal for video editors, programmers, financial analysts, or multitaskers who operate across multiple windows and software tools. Two ThinkVision T27qd-40 monitors side-by-side feel seamless and efficient. For users upgrading from a laptop screen or older 1080p display, the difference is dramatic. More space, more clarity, less eye strain, better posture. This type of upgrade improves workflow without changing your habits. It simply makes everything smoother and more comfortable. This model is designed for professionals who want an accurate, reliable, and ergonomic monitor that works consistently day after day. It's not chasing flashy gaming features or ultra-high brightness HDR. Instead, it focuses on what matters most for work: clarity, comfort, color balance, versatility, and clean design. If those qualities match what you're looking for, the Lenovo ThinkVision T27qd-40 is absolutely worth considering for your setup. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Lenovo ThinkVision T27qd-40 computer monitor, then please visit the link provided in the description.